Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're making this card. Ta-da! Using the pop-up Petals bundle. Here are the stamps. And on the side are the dies. Let's get started. It's a card base 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4. The inner card is 5 by 8 scored at 4. And in order to make that slit, I actually use this die here. And do you see the little points there? You line those up on the score line so it'll fold the right way. The cardstock layer is 3 3/4 by 4 1/4. I stamped a strip 1 by 4 1/4. Have a piece for the sentiment, for the jar, a couple of the flowers, and cut 2 1-inch squares, and then use this die to cut the box tops there. Okay, let's get started. You can pause for the measurements and get these out of the way. Let's fold along the score line. Burnish with a bone folder. And this is how you're going to fold it. This part goes, close it just as you would your regular card base, and this one sticks out. And burnish it really well here. And that's the pop-up part. So let's go ahead and adhere it to the inside of this. T for top. Let me get my, just in case, so Clement. Again, I usually do the corners, but this is a little trickier, so we're going to have to do a lot of the ones by the fold so they'll stay down. That should be good. And then you just fold it in half. Give enough border on both sides, not quite to the fold. Close it, and there you go. There's your pop-up. Let's go ahead and adhere this to the front. And then this to the side. Little border for you here. I already put some dimensionals on here. And just to be a little different, the first sample looks like sunflowers. These I made them look like daisies instead. Let's do the sentiment first, so I know there's room. Then the vase. This one also has dimensionals. So I did daisies, so you only have to do the leaves and the centers, as opposed to the sunflowers, you did the centers and the petals. Make it kind of stick up there. Open that up. Let's go ahead and glue. Let's adhere. Let's try the Stampin' Seal. And this will go right here. And then these are actually scored in the center, so you can fold them like this. I think I'm going to go ahead and use glue for that. So just some glue on the edges so it looks like a box. Repeat on this one. Might take a while for the glue to set. Hopefully it'll set while it's closed. So I'll close it for a second. And then there's one I put in the back and then one in the front. And whoops, I forgot glue dots. So for the one in the front, I'll go ahead and put some glue dots here in the oops, here in the front, because it's going to glue. It did pop off. So the glue dot here will hold it here, so it kind of looks like it's overlapping. And then this one we'll put in against the back part of the card, like this, kind of sticking out. So daisy version, sunflower version, take your pick on which is your favorite. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and share with anybody else who's interested in video tutorials such as these. And be sure to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.